Mr. Ryan, how's your day going?
All right. Hang on. Hey, Ming? That's an excellent question. There you go, buddy. All right. Guys, let's find the title of our story. What is the title of our story? Noah? What's the title of our story?
No.
Can you point to it? There you go. You found it. See, you know where it is. What's the title of our story, buddy? All right, that's right. It says movie time. Movie time. Let's read our story. Maria and her friends watched a movie together. They started the movie at 3 o'clock. What time did they start the movie?
At 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. That's the first thing we know. All right. They watched the whole movie without stopping it. The movie ended at 5 o'clock. Jacob, what time did the movie end?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. No, what time did the movie end?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. All right. How long was the movie? It started at 3 o'clock. It ended at 5 o'clock. How long was the movie? We don't know that yet, do we?
No.
That's X. That's what we don't know. Anything we don't know is what? X. All right, turn your page over. All right. Now, Noah? What's the first thing we know? How long was the movie? Well, I'm sorry, what time did the movie start?
4 o'clock.
Not 4 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Not 5 o'clock.
No.
Go back. You remember? It started at not 2 o'clock, not 4 o'clock, but
5 o'clock?
no, not 5 o'clock. Think earlier.
I don't know.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
So what do we know? 3.
3 o'clock.
Jacob.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Can you put a 3 right there? All right. Can I get you to circle 3 right here? Get you circle 3 on the number line? Very good. Noah, this will help you out. 3. Okay. All right, now I'm going to give you another shot. What time did the movie end? What time did the movie end? Did it end at 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock? And we know it started at 3 o'clock, right?
5 o'clock.
There you go. 5 o'clock. That's right. If it started at 3 o'clock, it couldn't possibly end at 3 o'clock. Jacob, what time did the movie end? 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock? Do you remember? Did it end at 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock. Right there, bud. Bless you, bud. So I just need a 5 right there. Okay. And Jacob, can you circle the 5 on the number line? Noah, we'll circle the 5 for you. Okay. And then what don't we know? How long was the movie? And that, what do we call that? What do we call what we don't know? That's right. X. So we need to figure out what X is. Let's look at our number lines. Jacob, I want you to put your finger on 3. Noah, put your finger on the 3.
3.
No, the 3 on the number line. I'm sorry, this 3, Noah. There you go. You got it?
Oh, but you wrote a 3.
Yeah, I know. I want the 3 on the number line. Okay. So, where is 5? Which way do we have to go? Do we have to go this way, or do we go this way? Are we going this way, Jacob? Are we going this way to get to 5? No? Yes. Now we're going this way. What does that say? It says add right there. Okay. Now add is what? Is add plus or minus?
Minus.
No, it's
Plus.
plus. Can you circle the plus sign? All right, good. And Noah? Your circle plus sign.
Plus.
All right, good. Now, let's count. And when we count, we may figure out what X is. Everybody put their finger on the 3.
Right there.
All right. Noah, put your finger on the 3 right here where I got my finger. All right. Now let's count over.
1, 2, 3.
Well, no, hang on. Let's do that again, Noah.
1,
We're going to stop when we get to 5.
2, 3.
No, you're not looking. I want you to look at your paper, bud. You know what might help you? Is that better? Okay. All right, put your finger on the 3. And when we move to another number, I want you to count.
3.
No. What do you start with?
1, 2.
All right. Now, are we on the 5?
Yeah.
And how many did we count? We counted to
5.
No, we counted to 5, but how many spaces did it take us to get to 5? It took us
3.
not 3.
4.
How many fingers?
2.
2. All right. Jacob, I want you to try it.
4,
All right, we want you to count. We're going to count the number of spaces.
2, 3.
No, okay. Starting here. No.
3,
1.
1,
When I pick your finger up, count 1.
1, 2.
And we stop right there, right? Okay. All right. Oops, sorry, no. Now, how many spaces did we jump to get from 3 to 5? We jumped. How many spaces? Jacob?
2.
2. Can you write a 2 down there? Down here, buddy. All right. So, how long was the movie? We went from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. 3 plus, what's that number?
2 o'clock.
2. 3 plus, what's that, Jacob?
2.
Equals
5.
3 plus 2 equals
5 o'clock.
5. So how many hours long was the movie? It was
2 hours.
2 hours. Good. Good job, but guys. How long was the movie?
5.
2 hours. See? There it is. There it is on your papers. Did you guys bring your clipboards? All right. Can I sign off on your clipboards? All right.